Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify your RedNote account. To get started, firstly open the RedNote app on a device. And after that, in the top left there's this three-lined icon, select that. And from here you need to go to this setting on the bottom. So over here under the setting you need to select account security all the way to the top. And from here you need to select this ID verification, select that. So here you need to proceed to the verification. You need to type down your real name and your number, and you need to select start facial recognition on the bottom. And you need to follow the on-screen instruction and provide any required information. And this may include confirming your identity, submitting in a government issue ID, or providing documents that verify a business or organization. And after submitting your request, you need to wait for the RedNote to review your application. And review time may vary, and you'll typically receive a notification or email once a decision has been made. And that is it. That's how you can verify your RedNote account. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.